Okay, this is project 3.2. Now, one of the easier ways is to start out with your basic shape. So what we'd have to do is you'd have to get the length, width, and the overall height of this object. So it tells us the length is 135 and the width is 90. So we can start out with, and this is in inches. So 135 inches, comma space, 90 inches. Basic shape. One thing you want to do is model information. Make sure you're in inches because this is mechanical drawing. Now back to the drawing. It doesn't give you the overall height, so we're going to have to add. So it's got this height is 10, we got 45, and radius 20 refers to the center of this to the outside, all-encompassing. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go 10 plus 45 is 55, plus 20, so that'd be 65, 75. Okay, now we're going to push that up 75. 75 inches. Okay, so we got our basic shape now. So, now once again, it doesn't give us all the information that we need, so we're going to do some basic math. So the distance from here to here, they give us a lot of information, but off-center. It's from center. So what you might do is you might say, well, this is 75 from here to here. And whatever remains divided by 2 is going to be this distance. So 135 subtract 75. So 135 subtract 75, you're going to end up with 60. Now, that's the overall, so you have to divide that by 2. So 30. So each one of these sides here is going to be 30. 30 from here to here. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to lay out a line that is 10. Okay? Like so. So we got 10 here, and it's going to go in 30. Basic shapes coming into effect once again. Let's do our little measurement here. We're going to go up 10. Out. Do a line across. Okay, push that in. 30. Okay, basic shape. Let's see. Now, where you go from here, you can do this side. It doesn't matter. So from here to here is 20. So the overall width of this is 40. So from here to here is going to be 40. So if you want, you can go 90 subtract 40. And if you do that, you're going to end up with 50. So 50 represents the remainder, which is here to here. So what you could do is, this is up 10 once again. So let's just go up 10, and we'll go like so, draw our line, and let's push this in 50. Okay. Now according to our print, it says that's 20 from there to there. That is the radius. So what we could do is a couple things. It's going to be on center, so we can go like this, 20. And if you want, you could go a number of ways you could do it. Now, if you're comfortable with the arc, the 2-point arc, you can go like so, and boom, half circle. And if you want to avoid doing it on both sides, you can just push it over like so. Now, that leaves us with this circle here. According to the information given, it has a diameter of 20, which means the radius from here to here is 10. And SketchUp would like the radius. So we're going to have to go like that. Make it 10. There we are with our circle. Now we can begin to erase stuff that we really no longer need. Okay. Okay, we're going to push that all the way to the end, so we end up with a through circle. Touch that. Okay. Now, we're going to have to lay out this space. Now, it's giving me a measurement, but it also tells you that this is 10 here. This space is consistently 10. So one thing that you could do is this. You could just go like across, and we know it's 10 over, and it's 10 over, and so something like this, and push and pull once again, and get rid of these lines so it's you can leave the layer line if you like. Okay. Now this angle here is the source of quite a bit of difficulty for some. It's going to be the only one that I really, for the most part, am going to use the off-center measurements for. So it says it's 6 thick. So I'm going to go make a line on center, and let's go 3 per side. Okay, so that's going to be our. Now, it goes to the very top of this line. That's actually where it ends at. So let's take our draw straight out here. Let's draw a line straight. And a few ways you could do this. And one way would be midpoint 3. Let's see, midpoint over 3 inches. Okay, it doesn't want to let me do that, so we're going to have to come up with another way. So what I'm going to do is go straight. And I'm going to go straight like so. I'm going to hide this for now. And let's see. Let's go straight up to there. And we'll go okay. Let's drag a line out there. And let's go like so. And we're going to, okay, that's 45. Okay. So after a little bit of digging, I was able to get the measurement for you. Okay, so what you're going to do on yours is from this edge over 34.5, that's going to be the intersect line for the first side of that wall. And make sure that you use the intersect line rectangle to there, because you're going to need to form, it's going to be inside here, I can see it. And once you've got that, you can just, it'll hit the limit, and now you've got your shape. Now bring back your stuff, hidden geometry, and unhide. Turn off that, erase that line. Okay. So that's the basics. You're going to be able to lay out the holes yourself, make sure they're through, and don't forget to include the dimensions.